What if your resume wasn't a document that you edited just once a year, but a living system that followed you throughout your career and helped you build your most compelling personal story? I'm Jay Shoemaker, and this is Master Resume, a career management platform that I built using Directus, the Directus MCP server, Claude, and a Next.js frontend. This project started out as a simple portfolio site. Just the usual stuff: projects, skills, a nice layout, and my contact information. But then I just kept adding things, and in the end, I added all the projects I could think of going back to when I was just 14 mowing lawns. I got really detailed with it, including metrics, outcomes, and what I actually learned. At some point, I looked at what I built and thought, this is way too much for public consumption. But by going through this process, I learned a lot about myself and how I can better define my personal brand while building my career. Then I connected it to AI. Using the Directus MCP server, I gave Claude access to my entire career history. This project wasn't just a portfolio site anymore. It became a personal career database, a career coach, and it was all connected via AI. During the course of my work, when I find myself completing an accomplishment that I am proud of, I don't have to wait until months later when I'm updating my resume and hope that I remember the details. I go to the AI chatbot, choose Add Content, and describe what happened. The AI helps me structure my story. I define exactly what I did, establish the metrics, and explain what I learned. The master resume system then automatically puts the information into the right relational format and incorporates it directly into my career timeline. This is where Master Resume makes it easy to keep track of your skills and accomplishments in real time. The system is fantastic at generating tailored resumes. First, I paste in the job description that I'd like to apply for. It identifies the key requirements, queries my accomplishment database, and surfaces the most relevant experiences. The AI doesn't make things up. It's pulling from verified, structured data that I've already carefully documented. It's just smart about which pieces to emphasize and how to frame them for this specific opportunity. The result is a targeted 2-page resume that speaks directly to what the employer is looking for, generated in seconds, not hours. Another use case is a virtual interview chatbot. The idea is simple. Let recruiters give me a virtual interview anytime, 24/7. They ask questions, the AI pulls from my career data, and responds as if the recruiter was talking directly to me. I originally built this for my public portfolio site, but it's not currently accessible because the AI usage bill could grow out of control pretty quickly. But this feature is a wonderful glimpse into what this system can become. One of my favorite features is the interview practice feature. Based on the context of the current job description, it generates questions that are likely to come up during an interview. Then it randomly asks me questions one at a time. I can reply via text if I'm practicing in public, or record my answer out loud so I can practice the way I'll actually be doing in a real interview. The AI then analyzes my response and provides a detailed breakdown of what I did well and what I missed. It grades my answer on structure, organization, relevance, clarity, and conciseness. It tells me what worked, where I should improve, and it gives me actionable tips, pulling from my own experiences, to help craft a more compelling answer. This was originally built as my personal portfolio site, and it then morphed into something else altogether. This project is far from complete, but I hope it serves as a case study on how we can keep track of our accomplishments and build our personal brands as we grow our careers. That's Master Resume, and this is my submission to the Directus MCP hackathon. To find out more or to spin up your own, go to github.com/jshoe/master-resume. Cheers and happy hacking.